Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, and in this video I will show you how to change DPI settings on this tablet. To change your DPI settings, you're gonna have to enter settings, then scroll down to display section. In display section, scroll down to font size and style, and in this menu you can change your font style by using one of the default ones, or by adding a new font by clicking download fonts. You can also change you can make it bold. You can change the size of it by moving this slider, and to apply settings, simply exit this menu and the changes will be applied automatically. You can also change the screen zoom by going to screen zoom settings and making it either bigger or smaller. Also, you can go to aspect ratio and set the aspect ratio for specific apps by changing it from app default to full screen or from full screen to app default. And that's basically how you change DPI settings on your tablet. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.